The puss caterpillar, scientifically known as Megalopyge opercularis, is one of the most venomous caterpillars in North America, and its appearance belies the danger it poses. The caterpillar is covered in dense, hair-like structures that give it a soft, furry appearance, resembling a plush toy. These hairs are actually venomous spines that can cause severe pain and injury when touched. The puss caterpillar's distinctive and deceptively cute appearance is a natural defense mechanism, deterring potential predators from attacking, but it also makes it more likely to come into contact with humans who are unaware of its danger. The venom of the puss caterpillar is delivered through these specialized spines, which are barbed and attached to the caterpillar's body. When touched, the spines break off and remain embedded in the skin, releasing venom that causes intense pain and a range of other symptoms. The venom contains a cocktail of toxins, including proteins that cause a local inflammatory reaction, leading to swelling, redness, and severe burning pain. In some cases, the venom can cause nausea, vomiting, headaches, and even difficulty breathing. The reaction to the sting is often compared to that of a bee or wasp sting, but the puss caterpillar's venom is more potent and can lead to long-lasting effects. The effects of a sting from a puss caterpillar vary depending on the amount of venom injected, the individual's sensitivity, and the location of the sting. The pain is often described as excruciating, and victims of stings typically experience swelling and muscle spasms at the site of the injury. The symptoms can persist for several hours to several days, with the pain sometimes intensifying over time. In rare cases, if the venom spreads to the lymphatic system or affects other parts of the body, it can cause systemic reactions that require medical treatment. Despite its fearsome venom, the puss caterpillar is not aggressive and will not sting unless it feels threatened. It primarily feeds on the leaves of trees such as oak, willow, and elm, and spends most of its time hiding in the foliage, where it is well camouflaged by its fuzzy exterior. The caterpillar's venomous defense mechanism is highly effective against many predators, including birds, mammals, and other insects, as few animals are willing to risk the intense pain associated with stinging. However, the puss caterpillar is not invincible and has a natural predator in some species of wasps, which are immune to its venom and will prey on it. The life cycle of the puss caterpillar involves several stages, from egg to larva to pupa. The larvae are the venomous form that poses a threat to humans and animals, while the adult moth, which emerges from the pupal stage, does not possess venom and is harmless. The adult moth has distinctive, pale-colored wings with subtle markings, making it difficult to associate with the dangerous caterpillar. The metamorphosis from caterpillar to moth is a striking transformation that involves the shedding of its venomous characteristics and the emergence of a harmless adult. While the puss caterpillar is most commonly found in the southern United States, its range extends into other areas, including parts of Central and South America. It is especially prevalent in areas with abundant vegetation, such as gardens, wooded areas, and parks. Due to its venomous nature, it is crucial for people to be aware of its presence and exercise caution when in areas where the caterpillar is found. If stung, it is important to seek immediate medical attention to manage the symptoms and prevent complications. In conclusion, the puss caterpillar is a fascinating yet dangerous creature that relies on its venomous spines for protection against predators. While its appearance may seem harmless, it is one of the most potent venomous caterpillars in North America, capable of causing severe pain and other physical reactions. Its unique defense mechanism serves as a reminder of the often hidden dangers in nature and the importance of respecting wildlife, particularly when it comes to creatures with such potent defensive capabilities. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.